Okay, what's going on, everybody? I'm really happy. I am really happy to start this series, which I've already done some. I just didn't want to delete my content. Or I did try, but yeah, okay, so we're gonna go to, let's see. Not that, but we can go to, what was it? I think it was this? Yeah, we can go to this. Boom. Okay, so we need to kill some gray wolves. It says I already got 2 out of 3. Okay, so I guess let's go and let's hunt. Okay, yes. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go hunt. Okay, now we gotta wait for this crap. Okay, let's go hunt after this crap again. Okay, so as I was saying, this is episode 1 of this new series on Android. It's a fun game, especially whenever you get up there higher and get better weapons. It's gonna be slow starting off, but yeah. So I'm uploading 2 videos in one day. So if you haven't watched my other video, you should watch this. It should be up by the time this one is up. Here he comes. Boom, that was a lung shot. That was a lung. Oh, that was a heart shot. Dead.
That's a good dog.
That's a good dog. If you haven't checked out my friend's channel, Slit Gamer, go check him out. He's pretty awesome. Okay. Downloading. Whatever. Oh, Texas. At least okay, let's go back to this. Burrowing animals. Okay, X out of that. Nope, nope, X out. I could do herbivores. Let's do carnivores. 100% chance to find a coyote. Level 10, let's go. 5 gold, let's go. Energy. Okay, please help us improve the game. Your feedback is important. I'll decide later off camera. So let's hunt. Boom, boom. Okay. Next.
Where is it?
He's running for his life. Oh, whatever. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead, that's it. Come on! Hey. What? I shot. What? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. Okay, let's do this again, because I know I can do it. I don't know what the problem was, but he tried to reload like a retard, like, just shoot your next bullet, retard, like, whatever. Okay, we're gonna take our time on this shot. It's coyote. Oh! Shoot! Really? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It just said heart shot, and then it didn't kill him. What? That makes no sense. Okay, I need to go to I need to get my freaking... The power is as much as it can go, so... Makes no sense. I can get some captivity, that might be good. Okay, let's hunt. This is gonna make me pretty mad if it beats retard again.
Go get him.
And coyotes aren't even that aggressive in real life, so. I swear to God, it better not. And come on! Come on! There we go. Got him.
That's a good dog.
It's a bad dog. You helping me. It ripped his head off. No thanks. Oh wow, I still got it. I'm gonna try vermins. What is burrowing? Okay. Cancel. Of course, you gotta have some type of special weapon. They want you to spend real money up on this crap. Herbivores. Hunt. I got a bow. Okay, so I only got a 55% chance to find a full-grown moose. And heck no. Better watch out. Done for. That was pretty fun. That was a big moose, but I was better, so. Okay, so let's see here. I just gotta kill one more moose, and we'll be good. I'm gonna try to go to spear fishing. Let's see if we can do that.
Sick 'em.
He's coming. There's a deer. The deer's looking at something too. I don't see no moose. A skia deer? I thought it was a moose. What? Okay, that's kind of gay. I thought it said moose. It says moose right here. It says kill a mature. This game got me all messed up. Whatever. See, find a mature Yukon moose.
Where is it?
Just a while ago it said something about some dumb skia deer. See, now it says kill a skia deer. Why is it running so fast? Oh, that was kind of gay. Why do you keep saying skia deer? Like, really? Like, it said moose and now it's saying skia deer. Like, the game's pretty... That's why they're messed up. Okay, let's go spearfishing. Or actually, let's see if we can get into that historical hunt. 1970. A rifle hunt. If it makes me buy a rifle, then... Downloading missing content. I'll be back with y'all whenever it's over. Okay, we're back. And now let's get this historical hunt on. And it's about to be lit. Okay, gray wolves. So they look just like coyotes, but different color. Same model. Anyways, boom. Boom. Ooh. Oh. Okay, I like this gun. This gun's rocking. I bet you're gonna take forever to reload. Okay. What? Oh. Oh, that was pretty cool. Uh-oh. It ain't giving me enough time to reload. Oh, shot that son. Been hit. I wouldn't been taking my time to reload. I would hit him upside the head with that gun. That's all I gotta say. Be hitting him upside the head with the gun. Oh no. Oh no. Crates. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. What does it do for me? James Cole. Okay. Dong. So I'm looking out for I need to kill one of these weird looking fish. Okay, I don't live by the ocean. I don't fish by the ocean.